Today I take your math class. We have completed chapter 3 A to H. Today now I start chapter 3 I, exercise 3I. So 3I and J, multiplication, fractional multiplication. How do we do that? First of all, you do this math. I do some maths, I do some homework. Okay, now fill fill in the given blanks. 5 by 19 into 1. So 5 by 19, if any digit is multiplied by 1, the digit itself. So 5 by 19 into 1, 5 by 19. B, 6 by 7 into 5. 5 by 1, 6 into 5, 37. 7 4 ja 28, 30, 28 minus 2. So 4, 2 by 7. Answer. C, 9 by 14 into 6. So you multiplied 7, 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6. So 9 3 ja 27 by 7. 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28. So 7 3 ja 21, 6. So 3 6 by 7 answer. Okay. D, 4 by 13 into 0 equal to 0. If any digit is multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Okay. E, 1 by 7 into 5 by 6. So 1 into 5, 5, 7 into 6, 42. So 5 by 42, blanks. F, 1 by 10 into 8. That is 1 by 10. 10 1 ja 10 plus 1. 11 by 10 into 8. So 5 2 ja 10, 4 2 ja 8. That is 4 into 11, 44 by 5. 5 8 ja 40 minus 44 minus 44. 8 4 by 5 answer. Okay. 2 number, multiply and write the product in lowest terms. We have already known how do you make lowest terms. So number A, 1 by 2 into 40. To 2 20 ja 40. 2 2 ja 4 0. So 20. B, 1 by 3 into 150. 3 5 ja 15 0. So 50 answer. C, 2 by 7 into 21. 7 3 ja 21. 2 into 3 6. Okay. D, 7 by 38 into 0 equal to 0. 7 by 38, it is not 7 into 38, not multiplied. So 0. E, 31 by 65 into 1, 31 by 65. Okay. No, I am wrong. 31, sorry. E, 31 by 65, that is 31 by 65. Okay. F, 8 into 17 by 24. So 8 into 17 by 24. 8, 4 2 ja 8, 12 2 ja 24, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12. 2 into 3, 2 3 ja 6. So 17 by 3. Okay. 2 4 ja 8, 2 12 ja 12 2 ja 24. 2 2 ja 4, 6 2 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. So 17 by 3 answer. Okay. 3I. I repeat it again. 3I. Repeat it. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the given blanks. 5 by 90 into 1. 5 by 19. 6 by 7 into 5. 7 5 ja 30. 6 5 ja 30 by 7. 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 by 7 answer. C, 9 by 14 into 6. 7 2 ja 14. 3 2 ja 6. So 9 into 3 27 by 7. Divide 7 3 ja 21 6. So 3 6 by 7. D, 4 by 13 into 0 0. E, 1 by 7 into 5 by 6. So 5 by 42. 6 7 ja 42. F, 1 by 10 into 8. 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 into 8. So 5 2 ja 10, 4 2 ja 8. So 11 into 44 by 5. So 4 8 ja 44. 8 4 ja 4 by 5 answer. 2. Multiply and write the product in lowest terms. A, 1 by 2 into 40. So 2 20 ja 40. So 20 answer. B 1 by 3 into 100, 50. 3 5 ja 50, so 50. 3 5 ja 15, 0, 50. C 2 by 7 into 21, 7 3 ja 21, so 2 into 3, 6. 7 38 into 0, 0 answer. E 31 by 65 into 1, 31 by 65. F for 8 into 17 by 24, so 8 24, 8 4 8 3 ja 24, but I divide it step by step. 4 2 ja 8, 12 2 ja 24, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, so 17 by 3. Okay. Exercise 3Z. What maths? What's math A? 1 by 7 of 28 kg apples. So 7 into 4, 28. So 4 kg apples. You must write unit kg. 4 kg apples. B 2 by 15 of rupees 300. So 15 to ja 30, 20. 20 into 2, 40. Rupees 40. Unit rupees. You must write. If you do not write unit, your math is totally wrong. C 5 by 19. 5 by 9 of 54. 9 6 are 54. So 5 into 6, 30 kilometer. Unit kilometer. D 2 by 5 of 70. That is 5 14 ja 70. So 14 to ja 28. Cheers. 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 Unit. This is units. I repeat it again. 1 by 7. If there is any unit, you must write units. 1 by 7 of 28. 7 4 ja 28 kg apples. So 4 kg apples. B 2 by 15 of rupees 300. So 15 20 15 into 20 300. 15 2 ja 30 0. 2 into 20 40. Rupees 40. If you draw rupees, your math is totally wrong. 5 by 9 of 54. 9 6 ja 54 kilometer. So 5 into 6 30 kilometer. D 2 by 5 of 70 chairs. So 5 14 ja 70. So 14 to 2 28 chairs. Answer. Okay. 2 number. Problem sums. 1 by 5 meter of cloth is required to make a skirt. Ritik wants to make 25 skirts. What length of cloth does he need? If we go smallest to greatest, then we multiply it. So statement, you must write statement. To make one skirt, clothes required to 1 by 5 meter. So to make 25 skirts, 25 skirts, clothes required 2 1 by 5 into 25. 2 1 by 5 into 25. 2 1 by 5 2 ja 10. 11 by 5 into 25. 5 5 ja 25. 11 into 5 55 meter. So he needs 55 meter of cloth. Answer. Okay. Repeat it again. 1 by 5 meter of cloth is required to make a skirt. Ritik wants to make 25 skirts. What length of cloth does he need? Statement. To make one skirt, clothes requires 1 by 5 meter. To make 25 clothes, to make 25 skirts, clothes require 1 by 5 into 25. 1 by 5 into 25. 5 2 ja 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 into 25. 5 5 ja 25. So 11 into 5, 55 meters. So he needs 55 meter of clothes. Okay. 3 number. 3 by 4 cups of milk is required to make a cake of 1 kg. 1 kg, if we make 1 kg, the cups of milk required 3 by 4. How many cups of milk is required to make a cake of 1 by 2 kg? 1 kg, if we make 1 kg a cake, cups of milk are 3 by 4. See, if we make 1 by 2 kg milk, how much milk is required? How many cups of milk is required? Statement. To make 1 kg cake, milk required 3 by 4 cups. To make 1 by kg cakes, milk required 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 cups. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 into 3 by 4. That is 9 into 3, 27, 4 into 2, 8. Cross multiplication is not possible. So 27 by 8. 8 3 ja 24, 3 3 by 8 cups. So 3 by 8 cups of milk is required to make a cakes of 1 by 2 kg. Repeat it again. 3 by 4 cups of milk is required to make a cake of 1 kg. How many cups of milk is required to make a cake of 1 by 2 kg? To make 1 kg cake, milk required 3 by 4 cups. To make 1 by 2 kg cake, milk required 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9 by 2 into 3 by 4. So 9 3 ja 27, 4 2 ja 8, 27 by 8. 8 3 ja 24, 3 by 8 cups. So 3 by 8 cups of milk is required to make a cake of 1 by 2 kg. Answer. Okay. So classwork complete. Now I give you some homework. That is, fill in the blanks. I do some maths which we do not do in the class. I do your homework. So worksheet exercise 3.1. 3I, that is fill in the blanks. G 1 by 7 into 8 by 1 equal to, you fill in the blanks. Okay. I, GH 1 by 3 into 7 by 5 into 2 by 9. Blank. You fill the blank. I 4 by 15 into 10 by 21. J 1 by 2 of means into 100 equal to K 1 by 3 of 60 equal to 4 L 4 by 5 of 8 by 11 equal to. Okay. So or fill in the blanks. Repeat it again. G 1 by 7 into 8 by 1 equal to 1 by 3 into 7 by 5 into 2 by 9 equal to I 4 by 15 into 10 by 21 equal to J 1 by 2 of 100 equal to of means into K 1 by 3 of 60 equal to L 4 by 5 of 8 by 11 equal to. Okay. Multiply, 2 number multiply and write the product in lowest terms. Some maths I do in the class and some maths I give you, at your homework. G A B C D E F tak I do 1 to A to F. G I give you homework G to L. G 3 by 7 into 7 by 15. Lowest terms you write here. H 9 by 32 into 8 by 36 equal to I 11 by 15 into 45 by 88. Lowest terms you do multiply, cross multiplication, any upper niche you multiply crosswise or upper lower. Side by side you do not do multiply. Crosswise or lower upper. So 11 by 15 into 45 by 88. J 2 by 10 into 3 by 21 into 40 by 30 equal to K 1 by 6 into 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. L 3 1 by 7 into 21 by 44. I repeat it again. Multiply and write the product in lowest terms. G 3 by 7 into 7 by 15. H 9 by 32 into 8 by 36. I 11 by 15 into 45 by 88. J 2 by 10 into 3 by 22 into 40 by 30. K 1 by 6 into 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. L 3 1 by 7 into 21 by 44. Okay. This is your homework. Exercise 3J, 3I. This is homework. Exercise 3J. 4. Shreya bought 16 3 by 4 liters of juice. If the cost of 1 liter juice is ₹8, find the total cost of juice. Okay. You statement, as I do in the class, you do the statement and solve your problem. 4. Shreya bought 16 3 by 4 liters of juice. If the cost of 1 liter juice is ₹8, find the total cost of juice. Total cost means 16 3 by 4 liter. If 1 liter cost of 1 liter juice is ₹8, so cost of 16 3 by 4 liter juice, how many? What is the cost of this 16 3 by 4 liter juice? Okay. 5. The weight of each boy is 1 by 4 kg. What would be the weight of 36 such boys? One boy's weight is 4 1 by 4. So 36 boys weight. What is the weight of 36 boys? The weight of each bag. Sorry, boy na bag. The weight of each bag is 4 1 by 4 kg. What would be the weight of 36 such bags? Okay. So weight of one bag is 4 1 by 4 kg. So what is the weight of 36 bags? Okay. 6. Sonia works for 6 2 by 8 hours each day. For how much time will she work in a month if she works for 24 days in a month? 24 month 30 days, but Sonia works for 6 2 by, repeat it again, Sonia works for 6 2 by 8 hours each day. One day Sonia works 6 2 by 8 hours. So for how much time will she work if he works 24 days? One day he works 6 2 by 8 hours. So 24 days, how much time he will work? This is the math. This is your homework. 3 problems and some. So I do some problem. I do some math to 3I and 3J based on fractional multiplication, and some maths I give you to do at home. So you must do these sums in your homework math copy. School copy is allowed. Outside copy is not allowed. Remind it. Okay. So this is your work. This is your today's work, math work. So I do 3I and 3J. Some maths I do in your class, and some work I do at home. You do these sums at home. Okay, today I finish your work. Next day I do 3K and 3L. Okay, thank you. Must do at home.